Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 10 varieties of leafy vegetables that I grow in my garden. Actually it's more than 10. I will show that everything, and most of them were rare varieties that you might have seen in India, not in Melbourne or Australia. Um, so this video will help you that you can grow these type of leafy vegetables as well in your garden. Let's get into the video. Before that, please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. So that's my amaranth leaves. I got this seed from my husband's friend colleague. So he gave me last year. So I collected some seeds from that leaves. So it's growing very well. We can grow these amaranth leaves in Melbourne without any doubt. Um, you can find these amaranth leaf seeds in Amazon as well. So you if you just enter amaranth leaf seeds, you can find it. You can get these seeds in Australia as well. So don't so if you like these leaves, grow in your garden as well. It's very good for health, and in it's easy to grow as well. The best time to put seedings, it's September end, last week of September, or last week of September and Feb midweek. So February midweek also you can do that. So you can take two times harvesting of these leaves if you grow in your garden. So I planted this in September, and I'm going to remove this because this is harvesting is done. The seed, I have collected the seeds as well. So I'm going to put seedlings one more time in this week. So you can grow two times and you can harvest two times as well. So don't miss these leaves. Grow in your garden and stay healthy. So this is my balloon variety leaves. I will put that exact name of these leaves in the screen. It's very good for your knee pain or bone pains, or for all bone problems. You can have these leaves. It's very good for health. So I'll show these leaves in close up. You can have a look. I used to have these leaves, these seeds, as it is during my childhood time, during my school days. We can see so much in my street side as well. I used to take the balloon and remove those seeds, and I used to have it. It will taste like a nutty texture. It tastes so good, but during my childhood days, I didn't know these benefits at all. But my mom, she used to cook at least 2 weeks once at home. We just have it as normal leafy vegetable curries or subjis. That's all I used to enjoy in my childhood days. But I didn't realize the benefits of how healthy we were eating during my childhood days. So I wanted to give my kids also the same healthy food. So grow in your garden and stay healthy. So this is my gongura leaves. Gongura leaves. If I say gongura leaves, you can see some more brightness in my face because I love gongura leaves. That is sorrel leaves. We can get sorrel leaves in Melbourne, but we get only the frozen sorrel leaves, and also it tastes. I am not happy with those frozen leaves. That's why I'm growing in my garden. We can grow in Melbourne, it will grow very nicely and healthily. Same thing, you have to put seedlings in end of September only. It needs more hot weather, so you have to put during summertime. I got this seed from my friend Sujata. Thanks to Sujata. So I'm going to leave some for seeds as well. So I for my next year batch, so I can collect some seeds. You can do hundreds of recipes using these sorrel leaves. Especially it goes very good with um, uh, it goes very well with non-veg, goat meat or chicken meat or seafood varieties. It goes really well. Even for vegetarian, it tastes so good. So don't miss to grow in your garden. My next one is black shade leaves. This one is very good for your tummy pain or ulcer. It has a lot of health benefits. So don't miss it. Grow in your garden and stay healthy. It will grow full throughout the year, and you can see these leaves the whole year. And you can use the leaves and also these veggies as well. This is also a seed. You can make hundreds of recipes with these leaves and this um, vegetable as well. I have already shared a few recipes of using these black shade leaves. I will show more of recipes using this vegetable as well. I will share that in my future videos. My next leafy vegetable is this Malabar spinach. So my friend Preeti, she gave me this plant. In my childhood, I used to. Can you see the seeds? The black color one. Once it's ripe, the seeds will become black color. But if you squeeze the juice from the seed, you will get a red color, pure red color juice. I used to apply that to my lips. I used to use that as a lipstick during my childhood days. Um uh, we never heard of lipstick and all during my childhood days, so I used to apply this for my any school function or school activities. Those days I used to apply that as my lipstick. So more childhood memories after seeing these plants. You can find these spinach, Malabar spinach seeds in Bunnings itself. I bought this one packet a few months back. The right time for this plant also is in September only. I have not tried in other months, but in that packet also is specified it's end of September you can plant these seeds. So don't miss to buy from Bunnings. And these leaves are very healthy, so good. More vitamins and more minerals in this Malabar spinach. So don't miss to grow in your garden. Let's go and see our other green vegetables. So my next plant is spinach. um, so I told many of the varieties grow in hot weather, but spinach will grow in winter weather as well. It will grow very nicely. There are more varieties of spinach seeds available in Bunnings and other shops as well. You can buy baby spinach variety or the creeping variety, the normal spinach varieties as well. So you can plant any and it will grow healthily also, without any trouble. The spinach will grow easily in your garden, so don't miss it. Grow more spinach and stay healthy. You can make hundreds of recipes as well with these spinach leaves, and it's always so good if you grow in your garden. So I'll show that in close up. So this is the first time I'm growing spinach, so that's why I have planted in a container, but next time I'm going to put it in directly in my ground. So I will see how the difference between in container and also in directly to the ground. I will show that in my future videos. So this is my spinach, my first batch of spinach. So I trimmed all this, and then the current, I will show you the current status as well. So once you trim, it will regrow again and again for at least 4 times. So you don't remove the roots, just trim only the leaves, and then you can um, it will grow more, and you can collect more leaves, as I said, at least for 4 times. This is the first time I'm growing spinach in my garden, so I tried in this container, but it I'm really happy with this growth in the container itself. It's grown really well, and I'm going to try in ground next time. So I have collected some seeds from Bunnings. There are more varieties of seeds available in Bunnings. Creeping variety, the normal spinach plants variety. There are more. So you can try all varieties as well. In Melbourne weather, it will grow very nicely without any trouble at all. So my daughter is harvesting the leaves, so I almost trimmed everything, you can see here, and I will show you the current update. So how nicely it's grown again. It's regrown. So I have collected really like a big bowl of spinach, and my daughter is really happy. As I always used to say, my daughter, she loves harvesting. Um, you can see in her face, she is so happy to harvest these leaves. So this is the current update. So it's regrown again, and I'm going to trim this weekend, and I'm going to cook this, and it will regrow again. So it's like this, you can do at least 4 times. My next plant is pennywort leaves. Pennywort leaves is so good for your brain memory power. It activates your brain cells, so it's very good for your health, and especially for memory power. Grow this in your garden. It's so easy to grow, and also it will grow throughout the year, and you will get leaves all the time. So it will not disappoint you at all. It will grow nicely, and it will spread everywhere, but the root is very small. I have already posted how to grow, the tips and cares, everything, how to regrow. All the information I have shared in my one of my video. I will give you that link in the description box below. Please check that as well, and grow more pennywort leaves in your garden. So you can cook more varieties in these leaves. I have already posted some recipes using these pennywort leaves. I will give you that link also in the description box below. Please check it out and cook healthy recipes. My next one is a mint. Ta, so fresh. I actually recently trimmed these mints, but it's grown again. It looks so good, like green leaves everywhere. I'm going to trim all of them again, and I'm going to store it. I have already posted how to preserve and store mint leaves in the freezer. If you did, I'll give you that link. If you missed that video, I will give you the link. You can check it out. Mint leaves, if you don't use much, please grow that in the container. If you grow in the ground, it will spread everywhere, and it will spoil your plants as well. So if you don't use regularly, do not grow in ground, grow in container only. I love mint. We used to consume more mint leaves in our cooking, not only for biryanis, for chutneys, variety rice. Most of them we use mint leaves. Isn't it look so good? um, I'm actually in my garden. The weather also it's so good. It's so cold as well. I feel so refreshing whenever I come to my garden. I feel so happy to have a look at my plants and the growth of my plants. I'm really happy to see this. My next one is this. I don't know the exact name of this plant. We call it parpikira. um, if I find the exact name, I'll just mention in the screen. You can have a look at this plant. I'll show you in close up as well. So this one, um, I planted like few years back, and it's growing every year at the same time. It will spread easily. It will grow only during this summertime. It will not grow in winter time. If you see this, these leaves will you will get yellow color flower. So that means this is the edible one. You can consume this. If you didn't put any seeds in your garden, if it's growing similar like this, do not consume that. I am not sure about that one, because I have planted seeds. So I'm growing in my garden, so I'm consuming this, and it's very good for health. You will see yellow color flower in this one, so that means it's consumable. If you didn't put seeds at all in your garden, if you see similar like this, please do not consume. I'm not sure about that one. Okay, so this is, I have planted this, so and it's growing in my garden. This is my next amaranth leaf variety. This is green amaranth. I planted actually last year, but this year I didn't put seeds at all. But I'm I'm getting this from last year seeds. Maybe it's fallen off here, so that's why it's growing here. And you can find these green amaranth leaf seeds in Amazon as well. Amazon website. They are selling more Asian varieties, green leafy vegetable seeds. They are selling. Amazon website, they are selling more Asian varieties of leafy vegetables and vegetables, normal vegetable seeds as well. If you want to buy, you can go to that website, and you can order more Asian varieties of leafy vegetables or vegetable seeds. We can cook so many varieties with this leafy vegetable as well. It's so good for your health.
So this is my methi leaves harvesting video. I have already posted how to grow methi fenugreek leaves from seed till harvesting. Um, I'll give you the link in the description box below. Please check it out. I have already harvested these leaves, and I'm going to grow this in couple of months later. So I wanted to show you these leaves also will grow in Melbourne. That's why I'm just adding these clips. Don't miss to watch that video. And this is my mustard leaves harvesting video. I have not posted about these leaves. When I will I will show you how to grow mustard leaves in my future videos. But it's so easy to grow in your garden in Melbourne weather. It will go.
I have shown 10 different varieties of leafy vegetable that I grow in my garden. You can grow more as well in your garden. Grow more and stay healthy. You don't have to go to store at all to buy these leafy vegetable. It's easy to grow and it will grow every year. And whatever vegetables you get during this time, grow more and try to preserve and don't waste it. Don't waste food. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.